How about a quick snack? Sweet potato chips cooked in the microwave. How about a quick snack? Sweet potato chips cooked in the microwave. Just made out of some old sweet potatoes I had laying around. I was actually waiting on these to sprout to plant some. And there was a couple that weren't sprouted, so I decided I would make potato chips. Are they crunchy? Let's see. Let you listen here. They sound pretty crunchy. I think so. And I put Key's seasoning, key to your flavor, out of Fairhope, Alabama. I'll leave a link where you can get this product and the story behind it. As I finish my crunchy sweet potato, they were just washed and the skin's left on, full of nutrients, and also good taste.